So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the start option over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next solution is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand human interface devices. Here you need to select your driver. After selecting it, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will update your controller drivers, and after updating it, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam inputs. So if your game is on Steam, then go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on controller. Now here you need to select enable Steam input, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the files, now check if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check if it's working, because developers often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs. So you just need to check over here if there is any update available and click on update option, and once done, check if the issue is resolved. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, click on enter big picture mode. After this, select your game and play it. If it's playing, then you need to click on Steam option over here, then click on power, and then click on exit big picture mode. So after this, check if the gamepad or controller problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. It will take you to the Windows update folder or page. Here you need to click on check for updates. If any update is available, simply update your Windows, and after that, launch the game and see if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have provided the link in the description. Just go through it, download DS4 Windows tool, and after that, install it on your PC. After that, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check if the error is fixed or not. So these are few suggested solutions that will surely help to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 legacy of the Forge gamepad or controller not working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.